as enshrined in the Constitution of the land. Love each other and inspire others by good deeds. Let us be kind to one another. Leave the past with all its discontents and regrets behind, and let us shape the future of Marinduque State University in unison rather than to fall apart in destination. As the saying goes, together we stand, divided we fall. Never to forget, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks and commendation to all the people who supported, assisted, prayed, and those who confidently extend their trust and belief in my capacity to lead and bring honor to MSC. My commendation to 20 people in my heart, and you know kung sino kayo. It is listed in my diary. Gratitude, of course, to our willing support. These 5 bros thing in Facebook. The support of the Board of Trustees. The search committee for president. Very objective. Ma'am Adalia, Dr. Tirso Ronquillo, Sister Aida of RBN, Dr. Victoriana Requillo, Attorney Iswa, Maria Morena P. Santos. I don't even touch a paper meaning people. I go alone with my daughter Justin and to others who called me. I am not committing. I did not solicit any advice from any mayors, but I have a relative mayor who will show respect to me. And I owe much to the leadership of Speaker Lord Alan J. Tito Velasco, and most importantly, to the governor of this province, who ever since during her first time here in Marinduque, I was with him, really like a son, telling everyone that the governor is like my father. They have been very disappointed regarding what happened to me. To my mommy Becky, who is my mom, a very intellectual mother, a very good mother, who told me the ideals of pluralism and oneness. To my father who died 2 years ago, and to the ever-supporting sister, Miss Denny Rodriguez, who supported me financially. Because my sister Denny Rodriguez is one of the most outstanding lady in Rotary Club of Makati, Central. Also, to Nolly Ruiz, who is also alive. The Rodejo, who is always here, despite all the problems that I face. To Dr. Bernadita Capilla, who is my neighbor, who supported me 5 lakhs out ago. It's only a call and leading me really saying me that like yeah. And to their grace, who is always around my diversity of ideas. She accepted me and tell me I would tell what is right, I would tell what is wrong without any hesitation. To all of you who are with me during my sleepless nights, during the process, I told myself, it's easy if you are a teenager. It's easy. Very easy for me. Without a teenager. But it's very hard for you to become a king on your own. It's very, very hard. I feel in my heart because this is a prepared speech. Because a friend told me, ngayon dati ko, pasensya na, that hindi ako magsasalita ng intro. But I can be of help. Because according to Montero in 2005, kung katawag ko yan, hindi yan magsasalita na mayroong dalang papel. Pero siyempre, iba ngayon, kinakailangan 10 minutes lang at speech 10 minutes lang. This is not yet final, but new beginning. The start of more challenging, yet beautiful. Ang inyong presidente ay malalambutin. Tunay nga po. Subalit may panindigan na matibay pa sa isang tungsten na pinakamatibay na bakal sa larangan ito pagdating sa desisyon. Many others say, si Dodi lamang yan. Dodi Silueta is not here as college professor for nothing. It is an earned master of authority. Finally, let us fervently ask our Father in heaven to continuously keep us whole and love, guidance and blessings to us as we face the future with uncertainties. Sama-sama po tayo sa pagbuo ng isang maunlad na Marinduque State College, the office of the University President. With our listen, be open to hear your concerns and to act on it as much as possible. This I owe to Dr. Victor Esquitos Sr. during my time to witness to a very challenging opportunity. I started support staff. At the same time, I was appointed as Executive Secretary of Dr. Victor. After office, no paper in the table. All is pending. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at pagmamahal. Patuloy po maging ligtas at malusog sa gitna ng pandemya. Pagpalain po tayo lahat ng buong kayaman.
Thank you very much, and congratulations, Mr. President. Everyone, let's give Dr. Zulueta, our new president, a big round of applause. And again, Mr. President, our prayers and support as we commence your journey in leading the Marinduque State College to become Marinduque State University. At this juncture, we are invite everyone to please stand and sing with pride and fervor the Marinduque State College hymn as we close this ceremony. Thank you.